Selling your home? Updated kitchens, modern bathrooms, fresh paint, move in ready homes sell faster and often for more money. But what if you could make those updates without paying upfront? Today, I'm breaking down pre list renovations, a powerful selling strategy most homeowners don't know exists. I'm Nadia Ali, and welcome back to 5 Minutes Realty Talks, where we break down real estate in 5 minutes or less without the fluff. Let's talk strategy. Pre list renovation means upgrading your home before it hits the market and paying for those updates at closing, not out of pocket. These aren't random renovation, they are strategic improvements designed to attract better buyers, stronger offers, and higher net proceed. Let's talk about why selling as is often backfires. Many sellers choose to sell as is to avoid the hassle, but here is what often happens. Your home sits on the market longer, you attract lowball offers, buyers exaggerate repair costs during inspection, and negotiation becomes stressful and expensive. Most buyers don't see potential, they see problems, and they discount aggressively for them. Let's talk about what pre-list renovation include. These pre-list renovation can include anything from paint and flooring to full kitchen and bathroom updates, even larger improvements when the number makes sense. The focus isn't cosmetic versus major. The focus is what actually changes buyer perception and market value. To set expectation, here are realistic market ranges. Interior paint typically runs from $1.75 to $3.50 per square foot. Kitchen and bathroom updates usually fall between 18K to 70K, depending on the scope. Flooring updates often range from 9K to 25K. Now, these are not luxury remodels, they are strategic resale focus updates. Here is where most homeowners think about return on investment the wrong way. Top agents don't define return as did I get every dollar back? We define return on investment as price, speed, and leverage. Pre list renovations work because they increase demand, reduce negotiation, and give seller control, not because every update returned dollar for dollar. Here's the best part, you don't need cash to complete any updates. No credit checks. The renovation team handles everything and you settle the cost at closing. Here's what I consistently see. Interior paint often delivers an effective return of 100% or more by improving photos, showings, and first impression. Bathroom updates typically return 60 to 80% while reducing inspection issues and concession. Kitchen updates often return 70 to 90% and push homes into higher buyer brackets where competition is stronger. And when updates are done strategically across the home, the net result often exceeds the reported ROI. Return on investment isn't just about the final number. It's about fewer days on the market, stronger buyer confidence, cleaner inspections, better appraisal outcomes, and less stress during escrow. That's why strategic pre list renovation often outperforms selling as is, even when the upfront numbers feel intimidating. These updates don't always return dollar for dollar, but they consistently improve demand, reduce negotiation, and increase net proceed. A dated 1960s home needed a full refresh. Using a pre list renovation with no upfront cost, the owners updated the kitchen, baths, flooring, lighting, and exterior. The home hit the market, move in ready, and sold for far more than its as is value. Now, pre list renovations aren't for every home. Consider skipping them if your home is already updated. Local market prices don't support higher offer, or you need a fast as a sale. The rule of thumb, invest only when renovation increases net profit, not just statics. Not every home needs renovations and not every update makes sense. My role is to help you identify which improvements actually pay off and connect you with reliable partners so the process stays smooth and predictable. This approach works across many markets, including Northern Virginia, when done strategically. If you are considering selling and wondering whether pre list renovation makes sense for your home, let's talk through your options. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and drop a comment with the next topic you want me to break down. This is 5 Minutes Realty Talks, and I will see you in the next one.